Hello guys, I want to show you on how you can link two or more WhatsApp on different devices at different locations. Now, the video of today is how you can link WhatsApp on another device. Let's dive in. Now, the first step, open WhatsApp on your main phone, tap the three dots at the top and select linked device. The second step is tap link a device. Now, this opens your camera to scan a QR code. Now, on your second phone or on your laptop, open web.whatsapp.com or open the WhatsApp on another phone and it will display a QR code. Now, scan that QR code and boom, WhatsApp is now linked. Now you can use WhatsApp on two phones like a pro. Follow for more and quick tech hacks.